Hello, my name is Melissa McBride, and this is for class information 5720. The information literacy topic is on AASL 4B1, a variety of sources. Learners will gather information appropriate to the task by a variety of sources. The discussion question, or rather questions I came up with, were learners will gather information by looking for a variety of sources. What type of information is out there? What type of sources are they looking for? And the grade level is high school. The first place to start would be to show students a variety of sources. This video will show them what type of sources they can look for. This video summarizes about how students can look for a variety of sources that include scholarly and newspaper or online articles. But it does caution them to look out for bias, as well as ensuring that they have a well-rounded viewpoint. Another source that I put out on this Padlet is what type of information is out there. This also includes encyclopedias, books, academic journals, databases, and magazines. This shows students not only have to look for online resources, but also physical resources as well. Those are important too. A few other sources that I put on this Padlet to show students how the resource process functions. And this is to include primary and secondary sources. As I have taught secondary courses for the last 11 years, students, while they do know primary and secondary sources, when they see those words, those vocabulary words, primary and secondary, they sometimes get confused of what that means, and so a lot of times they do need that reminder. I did add some major sites where they could go and find some information that are considered reputable sources. This includes PBS NewsHour, Classroom, National Geographic, Gale Research Database, Britannica School, EBSCOhost Research Database, the National Archives, and the National Science Digital Library. What I love about the National Science Digital Library, it's not just about science, it's also about math too, so it gets that STEM in there as well. Britannica School is a great, big, huge umbrella of information, as well as PBS NewsHour, Classroom. Lastly, Google Scholar is a great way to look for academic work online if students are not able to get into the databases such as like EBSCOhost and Gale.